In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept credit card payments on Squarespace. Whether you're running an online store or offering services through your site, being able to take credit card payments is crucial for your business. Luckily, setting this up in Squarespace is pretty straightforward, and I'll guide you through every step of the process to get you up and running smoothly. To start, we'll need to navigate over to the Payments panel. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to processing transactions on your site. Head over to your Squarespace dashboard, and from there, click on Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll find a range of options, but the one we're interested in today is labeled Payments. Click on that to open the Payments panel, the central hub for configuring how you'll accept payments on your site. Once in the Payments panel, you need to decide which payment processor to connect with your site, either Stripe or PayPal. These are two of the most commonly used payment platforms, each with its simple setup process and robust features. You'll see an option to connect under each processor. Click Connect on the one you prefer to use. If you're not sure which one to choose, Stripe is typically recommended for a seamless credit card processing experience, but PayPal is a solid option as well if you want to offer customers the option to pay directly from their PayPal account. After you click Connect, you'll be guided through a series of prompts. If you already have an account with Stripe or PayPal, you'll simply need to log in. However, if you're new to these platforms, you'll have the option to create an account by following their straightforward setup process. Don't worry, the instructions are clear, and you just need to provide some basic information about your business, such as your business type, tax ID, and banking information for deposits. Once these details are confirmed, your accounts will be linked, allowing you to start accepting payments from customers around the world. Once your preferred payment processor is connected, it's time to configure your payment settings. This step is crucial for tailoring the payment process to meet the needs of both your business and your customers. You can manage which payment methods you want to accept, such as major credit cards, and, depending on your processor, alternative methods like Apple Pay or Google Pay. You'll find these options within the processor's own dashboard, where you can adjust additional settings like customize receipts, set up automatic payments, and enable fraud protection features. Take your time exploring these settings to ensure everything aligns with your business operations. And there you go, you're all set to accept credit card payments via Squarespace. Remember, having a reliable payment setup enhances customer trust and can significantly impact your sales. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your payment processes. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.